All right, so my topic today is the backup camera with one of those Android radios for Dodge Ram. In my case, but for all, it will work with all the cars. Well, first thing is this brown cable here in Dodge Ram is your GPS antenna for the XM radio plus the GPS. You can actually use this little cable, which my stereo never came with. I had to get it separately, and you can just use that. This one here, that cable fits the other one. It fits this one here, but you can see the antenna is a thick cable, so you want to use that thick for the black plug, which this came with my radio. Now, the radio came for the backup camera. On the backup camera side, it came with this cable, which is the 10 pin, they call it. And it does have CVBS in. Let me just lower the intensity here. All right, CVBS in 1, CVBS in 2. These will not work. So this is a 20 pin, and these cables will not work. I can guarantee that because I tried. I tried and tried. It says no signal. So this radio senses the signal from this cable right here. Okay, so this is your cam that comes off the box here. So your little cam plug, which you make sure you plug that. So this goes in here. The video cable goes in. This is what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pins. So it goes in here then. That's where it's supposed to be, right over here on the left side, or well, in my case on the left side, but if you look at the radio up straight, it's on the right. And you need a special cable for that. My stereo never came with one. It's just an 8-pin plug. And I got this off of Amazon. Of course, I don't know if you can read anything on this thing. But yeah, I can get you a link for that. It says new car radio harness ZHYD002. So this is a video cable basically. And now I actually had to get a separate monitor because nothing was working. I thought my see that little monitor I've been using. So my camera works. I ran a cable through the truck and into the back throughout the whole frame. And my camera does work, but I had to use a separate display because nothing was working. Like on this, the CVBS 1 and 2 never worked. It always say no signal. So now I'm gonna install the new cable and see if the camera works. Okay, so up until now the camera wasn't working. I just connected it, and now if I put it in reverse, I get the picture. Alrighty, so I got that going.